Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the account that actually controls your Call of Duty display name. Once signed in, navigate to the Profile or Identity section. That's where the editable gamer tag, PSN, Steam name, or Activision ID lives. Make sure you have two-factor access so you can confirm changes immediately. You'll also want to close the game and sign out everywhere to prevent sync conflicts, because early changes can fail if the game is. You now perform the actual edit. On PlayStation, use PSN settings. On Xbox, use Xbox profile. On Steam, use your Steam name. Or on Activision, edit your Activision ID. Once done, link or relink accounts so the new name syncs into Call of Duty. Make sure to respect platform rules. Some services charge for name change or enforce a cooldown period, and character limits may strip symbols. If you see a propagation option, trigger it so the game picks up the update faster. Finish by restarting Call of Duty and verifying your new name in Lobbies, the friends list, and your profile. If the change hasn't appeared, clear the game cache or app data, sign out and sign back in, then force a resync of linked accounts. This resolves most propagation delays. If you still don't see the update after 24 to 48 hours, gather screenshots showing the platform name and the game state, and contact support for account-level assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.